Hi, it's Hannah, and for today's video, I'm partnering with Salon to bring you some retro print inspired nails using shades from their Peaches and Cream collection, which I will also be swatching after the tutorial, so don't forget to stick around for that. Alright, let's get started. After a base coat, apply double dip for your base color. Then use Under the Tuscan Sun and a brush to apply a stripe near the cuticle. Use Practice What You Peach and She's a Peach as well to create multicolored stripes down the nail. Then take a dotting tool and apply matching colored dots to the bottom part of each stripe, leaving some space between each dot. Now do the same thing, but this time place the dots in between the previous ones on the top part of each stripe to form the interlocking pattern. Finally, apply a top coat to help protect your design and smooth it out with a glossy finish. So that's it for the tutorial, let's get right into the swatches. The Peaches and Cream collection has 8 new peachy shades to complement any skin tone. These polishes are available exclusively at Walmart for $3.98 each. For each swatch, I applied 2 coats and did not apply any top coat after. Be sure to leave a comment letting me know which ones you like best. Alright, that does it for the swatches. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to find me on social so you can tag me all your nail pics. I'd love to see them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!